Hello and welcome. Greg here from Motor Match Crewe, bringing you this fantastic looking Audi Q3 midsize SUV that is now joining our approved used stock. This particular example is the Q3 S-Line model, finished in gorgeous Hainan blue metallic colour. As one of our Motor Match vehicles, it will benefit from minimum 30-day 1,000-mile warranty, so you can enjoy it today with complete peace of mind. This model also boasts a number of optional extras such as comfort pack, black styling pack, electric powered tailgate, privacy glass, as well as Audi pre-select and a number of added features. Those gloss black alloy wheels look incredibly gorgeous and really complement the black styling pack that's available throughout. Gloss black roof rails and even a privacy glass as well as front grille. Passengers in the rear will be very happy as the cab offers loads of legroom and headroom for up to 3, with the interior being finished in part cloth and leather. Independent rear air vents and ISOFIX child anchor points will add to the overall convenience, whilst the rear will offer full LED tail lights with even dynamic LED indicators. The convenience of a power opening and closing tailgate is absolutely gorgeous to use and offers plenty of storage space for a week's worth of shopping. If you ever need to create more space, you can fold down the rear seats in a 60-40 split. A quick glimpse inside the front of the cabin will also reveal a leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel, as well as sports bucket front seats with S-Line embossing in them for added comfort too. I hope you enjoyed this brief 360-degree exterior tour of this Audi Q3. Before we move inside the cabin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with our latest stock and content. And if you enjoyed watching this particular video, why not hit on the like button now or leave us a comment or question in the section below. Once behind the wheel of this Audi Q3, there will be plenty for you to enjoy. Decorative door and dash inserts will provide a nice contrast against the grey backdrop, and all the driver control panels are easy to reach and logically laid out, operating windows, wing mirrors and headlights. The multifunction steering wheel even features flappy paddle shifts for a more dynamic sporty drive, as well as cruise control and speed limiter. The TFT screen in the center will also offer key information such as fuel economy, range and trip, but also offers so much more in the form of radio stations that are selectable, Bluetooth contacts, all of which can be operated whilst on the move, and even satellite navigation guidance. The center screen is operated via a rotary dial on the center console and comes with the Audi Drive selector, allowing you to choose more dynamic drive or efficient, whilst Bluetooth telephony process is also incredibly easy to follow. To make sure you never get stuck in traffic, live traffic information will ensure of that, and also the built-in satellite navigation is very easy to use. There's additional media source functionality available for any add-ons you may wish to use, and music is delivered via AM, FM and DAB digital radio reception. For music lovers amongst you, you can fully optimize the sound system to make it your own, and to help you park, audible and visual front and rear sensors will provide plenty of reassurance at all times. Moving down the cabin, physical shortcuts are on offer, as well as a simple 2-zone climate control system which will allow you to set the ideal temperature for the cabin. Moving further down, 2 large cup holders and a deep center armrest will also keep your items out of public view. This has been a presentation of the Audi Q3 S-Line that is now available to view and test drive at our dealership, along with a range of flexible finance options. To find out more information about it, contact our friendly sales team today on 01270 864 408, or alternatively follow the link in the description below. Many thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, and we look forward to hearing from you.